Meet this really nice over-the-toilet storage cabinet that is designed to maximize your space in bedrooms, laundry rooms, or even balconies. It's stylish, practical, and it's perfect for any compact area. This cabinet offers versatile storage with two barn-style doors for placing items like towels and toilet paper, and it also has some open shelves for quick access to daily essentials and a vertical side compartment that is perfect for holding extra paper rolls. The cabinet combines MDF with alloy steel components, and its waterproof surface is easy to clean, and the dust resistant, scratch resistant finish keeps it looking fresh for multiple years. Though it's designed for bedrooms, it is flexible enough for laundry rooms or even a balcony, anywhere where you need vertical storage without taking a lot of floor space. It's subtle yet stylish. The cabinet features some really nice double doors and a modern farmhouse appearance. It effortlessly blends with most decoration, and it adds a cozy touch to your space. Assembling this piece is really straightforward, with the included step-by-step guide and all the necessary parts. Some noteworthy features include a sleek aluminum alloy handles, 3 adjustable inner shelves to fit your needs, an anti-tip design for stability, and a durable high-quality hinges that work smoothly day after day. So if you're looking to declutter and beautify a really small place, I think that this over-the-toilet storage cabinet offers a really nice design, a sturdy construction, and an effortlessly organization. It can elevate your space without stealing your precious square footage. Overall, it's quite beautiful, and I will really recommend it. See you guys!